pistol. I got some issues, something's always running through my mental. My mother's health is fading, so I've been stressing lately. And all these trials and tribulations got me drinking daily. I asked the Lord to save me, guess he didn't hear my prayer. If he did, tell me why am I still here? I got some past fears, hoping they don't catch up with me. Like the timer up the itchy on my homie Twizzy. I pulled the trigger, man, God must have been watching his ass. Or was he watching me? I let him run, be free. I'm a different breed, these hoes I shake them off like fleas. My pedigree is something fierce, dog, you can't compete. I'm in my own league, listen to these words I speak. Now if I die today, it'd be bittersweet. So when you bury me and all the memories, they fade away, just know I'm safe, in a better place. Now if I die today, how would you say my name? Would you speak in vain or would you try to save my face? Just know I'm dead and gone, resting in a better place. Don't shed no tears for me, baby, I wasn't happy here. Now if I die today, how would you say my name? Would you speak in vain or would you try to save my face? Just know I'm dead and gone, resting in a better place. Don't shed no tears for me, baby, I wasn't happy here. I'm looking down at you, baby, from the heaven sky. I see the pain in your eyes, it's like you wanna cry. But your pride inside won't even let you shed a tear. Just keep that smile on your face, it's so sincere. I hope you persevere through all your pain and all your strife. They took my life, even worse, they took your soul. This work is cold, froze, something like the winter snow. I walk alone as I travel down this lonely road. By 12 years old, I was off the porch, trained to go. Illegal tender, man, quick to let that gun smoke. I had no hope, only focus was just selling dope. I lost control of everything that I've ever known. My mind was gone, I felt defeated on these streets alone. I really never had a place I could call my home. I'm on my own, I'm in the zone. I'm holding chrome, about to snap, pull the hammer back and blow my dome. Now if I die today, how would you say my name? Would you speak in vain or would you try to save my face? Just know I'm dead and gone, resting in a better place. Don't shed no tears for me, baby, I wasn't happy here. Now if I die today, how would you say my name? Would you speak in vain or would you try to save my face? Just know I'm dead and gone, resting in a better place. Don't shed no tears for me, baby, I wasn't happy here. Our Father, whom art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. He fills me deeply down in my soul. Is it misery or pain? I'm writing this letter with the intent of saying I'm sorry for any pain I caused. I know we had some flaws and our relationship was never close to being perfect, but it was worth it how you held me close and kept me focused. When things seemed hopeless, you were always right by my side. My ride or die, you're my Bonnie and I'm your Clyde. And if you ever try to leave, it'd be do or die. It's you and I that will always